So if I eat at least one kasai of bread, and I've made a hamotzi blessing for it, but at the same time I was eating beans. Is there a full after blessing of Birkat Amazon, or two separate blessings, or one shehakol after blessing?
Okay. That's a very, very good question. So if you ate Kezayis of bread, so according to some lenient opinion, so this Kezayis actually covers the whole meal. So whatever you eat with bread, like whatever Kezayis is, like, I don't know, half of slice. Like if it's bigger bread, it's half a slice, right? So like maybe 2/3 of the slice, right? Of like if you slice meaning in the middle of the bread, right? So all of the foods are covered, everything covered, and you say Bircas Hamazon, everything is covered. So of course we try, as I said, we try, if possible, to eat two kizesim, kibetzas. So it's 2 ounces, or grams, it's like 56 grams or something, right? So if you eat, so like it would be according to all of the opinions, but we can always rely on the opinion that even if you eat 1 ounce 28 grams, that's you can say Birkas Hamazon, and it's actually covered all of the other foods. So you would say only one blessing. Go ahead.
So if I eat less than 2 kasai of bread, the first blessing should be mesonot?
No. So even, so I apologize, maybe, okay. So even if you eat 1 Kezayis, so according to many opinions, you can say Birchas Hamazon. There is no problem. You can say Birchas Hamazon, and it's actually covered all other foods. So, but according to the most strict opinion, they say, so if you wanted to have like a meal based on the bread, so eat two Kezayis, like egg. I mean, it's not a lot, but that's what they say. So, but you can rely on, you ate one ounce, and that's enough, and it covered all of the foods, all the salad, potatoes, beans, whatever you ate, rice, whatever you ate with bread.
So it will be covered, but we are not allowed to leave the home before making Birkat Amazon.
Yes, yeah.